Quick story time. I invested in this company before they went public, so I believed in their dream. Sucks to suck that I didn't hold it though. Their stock is not doing too well now, but yeah, that's just a quick story. Guys, this feels nice. I'm not gonna lie to you. It feels really nice. The steering wheel as well. Yeah, where you going? Are you going my way?
No.
You're not going my way? No? It's really nice. No, I haven't. I've driven an electric car, but not this.
Sunningdale.
For the first time, I am going to Manchester. So this video, we're going to be exploring Manchester. We're not really exploring, but we're going to Manchester anyways. So buckle up, get ready, because today the Mannequin Studios, the Mannequins, all of us, are going to Manchester. I feel like I forgot something. I always feel like I forget things, especially when I don't have time. I had the half day at work today, and I had to literally like finish up. And I'm not going to go into that work drama because that's a whole nother series we're going to get into when we leave. But anyways, guys, I'm going to get into some other work, and I will see you at some point in the trip. All right, let's get it. Yeah, problem. It's been a trip getting here, honestly. I'm halfway pissed off, fully pissed off at the same time, because we're supposed to get here. Well, I don't even know when we're supposed to get here, but so many things. I'm going to tell you guys the full story when I get to the hotel. But we're on the tram. I've never taken the tram before, so this is nice actually. But let me show you guys what the city looks like. Story time. Today has been a day because getting to Manchester, guys, first of all, these people are on the train, especially the black people. I might sound like a white racist right now, but let me tell you guys something. If you're a black man and you see a fellow black man in distress, meaning I didn't have my rail card. To be honest, my rail card has expired, but that's besides the story. So what happened was, I went on the train coming to Manchester. I bought my ticket. Usually, my road card expired like 2 years ago. But the thing is, like, you know when you just procrastinate stuff and you just never get to it. So I was gonna renew it every time. But yeah, this guy basically was like, "Oh yeah, let me see your ticket." I gave him my ticket. Mind you, this guy's a black guy, Jamaican. So you can imagine. But from the jump, I should have known. This guy sounded like one of these Uncle Toms. I'm like, "Oh yeah, nah, I left my train ticket at home." My roll card at home, which obviously is a little porcupine. But anyways, he's like, "Oh, well, I'm sorry. You're gonna have to either charge you a penalty or that's not how he sounded. He sounded more like Jamaica. I'm gonna have to charge you a penalty, or I'm gonna have you pay part of the ticket." And I'm like, bro, like really? Like I was just trying to make you know the eye you give your fellow black man. You're like, bro, wake up. I'm like, can't you see? But he was like not budging. But basically I had to pay an extra 100 and something pounds. Yeah.
My baby, I like you. My baby, I die for you. See you, you know, see you, my baby.
Alright guys, so we're here in Manchester. I don't know why my camera looks like this, but we're here to get breakfast today, and they have a Tim Hortons right there. If you guys know about Tim Hortons, it's like the Dunkin', let's be quick. It's like the Dunkin' Donut of Canada, but it's here. So we might try that, or we might go to where we actually plan to. after the day. That was a good breakfast. What do you think?
Yeah, it was.
Yeah, it was a good breakfast. Although there were some
Stop.
but we're not going to talk about that. So right now we're going to explore. Apparently this is the northern quarters. It's where they have like a bunch of thrift stores and different things we can check out. It's almost like a town center but bigger. Oh. Before, Manchester is so interesting because it's very new. It's weird. They've taken all the old buildings and they've adapted it for some reason. Like if you see that building over there, it's got the same color as any of these red brick buildings, but they've tried to blend it at the same time. And you see that building there. Obviously that was a red brick building before, but adaptive intervention happened, meaning they've taken an old building and they basically just put it into a new one to make it look new and modern. So it's nice. Like this Manchester trip was very short. Obviously, like I said, this is a 48 hours in Manchester video, so I might need to come back at some point to actually explore when there's more time. Maybe a week would be good. But yeah, it's a lot. And also the trains. I'm about to do something very crazy right now, guys, because apparently the trains are very weird because they don't really have any people checking the trains. So I'm going to try to take the train for free. I've already done it before, but I'm going to try to take the train for free without paying. So yeah, wish me luck. Or we might be vlogging from a jail cell soon. Wish me luck, guys. You will tap your card or your contactless pay on here for you to pay for the thing. But see what I mean? When you come to the trains right there, there's no one there to check it. You just hop on the train and vibes, basically. I got on. So guys, the game plan, if we get caught, I'm just gonna act like, oh my god, I don't know. I didn't know that. I didn't know.
Guys, I believe this is the most fascinating mall I've seen in the UK. And to think that I found it in Manchester. Anyways, quick interlude. I just think it's interesting how people can sell water to people in different forms. This mall basically has an interesting design. It's been designed in sections between food, shopping, and cinema, so I'll say watching. But first of all, let's explore the food.
One would think that I'm not in the UK anymore, but look at this. Hold on, look. It's like a food court. There's a whole lot of things. That's a huge ass food court. Even as big, they built this place to look like almost like America, which is interesting. Like, look at that. If I show you this, you can kind of see the layout. It's like circled out like that, which is kind of interesting. And then they have a cinema right there. I just showed you guys Chinatown. I think right now we're getting into more of like the normal food because I can see TGI Fridays right there, and I can see like Real Greek, GBK right there. Yeah, so right now I'm trying to find food to eat because my train is in like the next 3 hours to get back to real life. But yeah, I'm trying to find something to eat. Well, possibly breakfast or something like that because your boy hasn't had any food. But guys, look at the ceiling. Hold on, be patient, chill out, relax. There you go. Alright, that's what you get. Let me eat. I'll come back to you guys in a little bit, alright?
I'm not too sure.
Still in the process of enjoying
this beautiful ass mall. Just got food to eat. So now trying to find a pretty bit apparently. Oh, there's the Apple store right there. Guys, we ordered the new iPhone from our phone line, but we still haven't gotten it. And now I'm thinking that I wish I just walked into the store and ordered it. Or if we can just literally go to the store and buy the one we want and then just return that one when it comes. So while waiting for my new iPhone, I wanted to go into the Apple store and see what it's like. Because honestly, the hype for the iPhone these days have been crazy. The new iPhone comes in a titanium, cover, and it's got new camera features apparently. It's got a 15mm wide zoom as well. I've heard a lot of things about the selfie camera, so honestly, I'm not too excited about that since I've already ordered it. But while in the store, so I wanted to check out all the accessories because I've always seen people wear these new AirPod Max Pro. To be honest, would I pay £500 for these headphones? Probably not. Guys, I think it's insane the prices Apple charges us for their gadgets these days. But honestly, when we're ready, we're going to stand up, and I might be the leader of that protest or boycott. But when everyone is ready, let's band together, okay? Quick story time. I invested in this company before they went public, so I believed in their dream. It sucks to suck that I didn't hold it though. Their stock is not doing too well now, but yeah, that's just a quick story. Guys, this feels nice, I'm not gonna lie to you. It feels really nice, the steering wheel as well. Yeah, where are you going? Are you going my way? No. You're not going my way? No? It's really nice.
Yeah, but driven one.
No, I haven't. I've driven an electric car, but not this.
One of the big things to do here is
Okay, alright. Guys, the King of Getting Free Shit might actually be able to test drive. I don't think I'll be able to though, because I don't have my American license here with me. Okay, this is the dashboard. Guys, I think this might be my next car. Alright, I'm gonna give it up because other people have to see the car. It's not just me. Oh look, guess who's on the screen? I'm watching my videos in this car. How crazy is that? You won't believe what I just found in the amazing city of Well, look at the beauty this mall has to offer. I didn't get to explore as much as I wanted to of this mall, but anyways guys, I wanted to say shout out to all of you guys that have been following me. I know obviously it's kind of weird the way I've been posting for the end of the year in 2023, but that's going to be another video. It's going to be another explanation video. I'm getting a lot of messages about where the video's been, but to be honest, that's going to be a longer video because I feel like a little clip of me explaining what's been going on in my 2023 and my life the past year of not posting onto YouTube needs a better explanation than just like me telling you guys, because obviously. Anyways guys, my train is in like the next hour right now, but before I let you guys go, I just wanted to say compliments of the season. Hope you guys are having a good time with your family. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Once again, you've been amazing. I've been Ben, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.